Hi guys, so if you have a interview coming up, whether that's in person or virtual on Zoom, and you want to impress your interviewer with your outfit, then this video is for you. I hope you guys get your promotion and the employment that you've been looking for, especially Corona and a lot of people laid off and looking for jobs. I hope this video helps. So let's get into it. I'm gonna dress this outfit up and show you guys what it will look like. If you feel like this dress is giving you a bit too much body yaddy yaddy in the office, you can put on a long line blazer. That's gonna cover up the butt area. And long line meaning it's gonna cover up the butt area. It's not gonna give too much body yaddy yaddy. You can also, I would definitely leave it open to show the ruching of the wrap dress. And this is how it will look all dressed up. This is what I mean when the blazer needs to be long line. Perfect length. This just hits me right at my knee, which I love, and I think it's definitely work appropriate. So yeah. Let's move on to the next outfit. So this is the second look. This is just a top and some slacks. The top is from Boohoo. The slacks are also from Boohoo. I would definitely say go about 2 sizes up on the shirt because the sleeves are a bit tight. But if I was in the workplace, this would be a perfect fit. I think, to me, very work appropriate. You can also smarten up this look by adding a blazer. The blazer is also from Boohoo, guys. I'll link all the stuff below for you. Smartening up this look with a blazer always helps. And this is how it looks with a blazer. I love long line blazers, especially for work. It gives you a bit of coverage on the butt area, and it also is easy to smarten up any look. You can also close it up to give it another feel. And you're ready to get that job, honey. Get that job, honey. Get that job. So yeah. This is the second look, and also you can wear these looks with pencil skirt. I would definitely suggest a pencil skirt that's knee length or below the knee. I feel like those are very work appropriate. I'm just a pants girl at the moment. I used to wear a whole lot of skirts. Don't wear them like that anymore, but these can definitely, pants can definitely be switched out for
pencil skirts. So this is the third outfit. I love a good button up, and please, when you're getting your button up, make sure they're big enough. And this is how you know if, let me get closer. This is how you know if your button up fits perfectly. If you button down your button up and there is no, this big gap right here is not there, your button up is a perfect size. You want to spice things up a little bit with a little bit of color, a little bit, you can do a stripe, polka dot button up, something like this, and some pants, and you can't go wrong. With the shoes, I would only suggest wearing this if you have like business casual dress code, or you guys dress down on Fridays or something like that. These shoes are definitely not appropriate for interview, and these are not appropriate for corporate, for me personally, and that's just me. If your work uniform is a bit more relaxed, then I think you could get away with some open toe shoes like these. But yeah, this is the second fit. Can't go wrong with a button up. So this is the last outfit. I love me a high neck cowl neck top. The top is from Boohoo and the pants is from Boohoo also. The belt is from Pretty Little Thing. The shoes is from Ego. You can definitely switch out the pants for a pencil skirt, and I definitely wouldn't wear open toe shoes if I'm going to an interview or if I have a strict corporate job. That's just my opinion. And if you guys, if your company has like dress down days on Friday, or it's more business casual, I feel like you can get away with wearing open toe heels and all of that. But if it's not, I definitely suggest a pump no higher than 4-inch and some flats, okay, closed toe. So this is the last and final look. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Thank you guys for showing support, and I'll see you in the next one. And comment down below which outfit was your favorite. Deuces.